color the way it came out. Wow, there is a lot going on right now. So, for those of you that don't know what this is behind me, the typical layman might say, okay, this is a 70s Ram Charger. Wrong. This is a Plymouth Trail Duster. And for a very special moment, before the date June 10th, 1974, they produced the cut-off half-door version. And if you've seen my channel before, you've seen me paint one of these. So go check that out if you haven't already. This, my friends, is going to be a very exciting paint job because we're doing it in Rally Red, which is a factory-coated color. I'm so excited. You guys know I love my red. You've seen me paint red stuff before. I've got the Iwata gun. You guys can't see it in the shot. I've got the Iwata gun. Got a nice little rebreather system. I'm gonna look and feel like Darth Vader. I'm gonna start with the floors. Probably gonna split this up into 2 days. I'm gonna do the floors, the full interior, and then I'm gonna do the full exterior. So I just wanna take you guys along with me. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, here are the beautiful results. We're going to show you. It's a little bit dark, so let's turn on this light. I don't know how much that really helps, but I mean you guys can kind of see the gist. It is red. It is super, super red. That is Rally Red. More painting tomorrow. right, you beautiful people. So I have given it a couple coats with base, and I'm gonna come back in the morning and give it the final few coats before I go in for some clear. I'd say that overall I'm pretty happy with the coverage. I've been using the Iwata LPH 400 gun, and I've heard so much about it from people online. I was just sold on it. So I've wrapped this whole shop up like Dexter's Lab, and I wanted this thing to look red. So here I am, and back tomorrow with some more paint. Alright guys, I'm on the way now to KC Auto Paint. I'm gonna get another gun regulator. The one that I was using just totally crapped out. The pressure was just like an old man's breath. It was just terrible. There was no pressure at all. So I'm on my way to get that result now. Okay, ladies and germs, here are the final results. We're looking at some pretty sweet paint right now. The clear laid down pretty nicely. Made a rookie mistake, turned the volume on my gun all the way down to 0. That's why the pressure would be all weird. Anyway, I got a little bit better gear. Got some 3M stuff. 3M gun regulator. Yeah, we've got that glossy look. We're gonna come back in the morning and look everything over, see how everything's kind of settled out in this nice warm shop, and see you in a minute. That's so cool.
Grab your suction cup and go down on the side. Bring me a suction cup. Bring me a suction cup.
Okay, now you guys get to see the magic. how this paint came out with a little bit of cut and buff. Also threw together the interior a little bit. Got these beautiful old school seats in there. New weather strips, so kind of a slam. Nice red. I love that color, the way it came out. Just super smooth. If you're new to the channel, I'm Luther. I paint. I got rides. I paint them. I like colors. Sometimes I like red. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe, comment. Comment what your favorite day is or what your favorite color is. Ooh, do you have a dog? Tell me more. Let me know. I'm gonna make more videos like this. So stick around for some cool paint.